Hello Kutties, I am very happy to see you all again. I am your teacher Pavitra from Bharadasna Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to learn an English topic for LKG students. What topic, children? Yes, today we are going to learn alphabet, right? Okay, in the previous classes we have learned the alphabets in the way of easy to difficult letters, right children? And then we started to learn order wise, right? In that we have already learned the letters from A to M, right? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி கஷ்டமான letters, ஈஸியான lettersனு பிரிச்சு கத்துக்கிட்டோம். அப்புறம் order wise கத்துக்க ஆரம்பிச்சோம். அந்த order wiseல A ல இருந்து M வரைக்கும் நம்ம கத்துக்கிட்டோம் அதானே? So today in this class we are going to learn N to Z. Okay children? Before that we are going to recall the letters A to M. Okay? Everyone repeat after me. Okay children? See. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L and then M, right? Very good dears. So following that, today our first letter is N. What letter is this children? Yes, this is the letter N. Very good. See here, N for nib. What is it dears? Nib. Yes, we are writing with pen, right children? Okay, that sharp part of the pen is called nib. Okay, with the help of the nib only we can write smoothly. Okay. See here, pen oda help la pen oda corner la irukum illaya, that is nib. Okay. N-I-B, nib. What is the spelling of nib? N-I-B, nib. It's very good. See here, we are going to write the letter N in 4 lines now. Okay children, take your pencil and then sharp your pencil. Okay, get ready all of you. Look at the board. Keep your pencil on the top red line. Okay, there are 4 lines. Top red line, top blue line, bottom blue line and then bottom red line, right? In that, you have to keep your pencil on the top red line, okay? From here, you have to draw a standing line till the 3rd line, okay? And then, see here, at the top of the standing line, you have to draw a slanting line like this, okay? See here, at the middle of the slanting line, go up with the standing line. So, this is the letter N. What letter is this children? Yes, N. Very good. Next see here. O. What letter is this? Yes, this is the letter O. Very good. See my dears. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Okay. It is a unique bird. Why children? All the birds can fly, right? But ostrich never flies, okay? It is one of the tallest birds, okay children? It's very good. See here, now we are going to write the letter O in 4 lines, okay? Take your pencil, get ready all of you. Look at the board carefully now, okay? We are going to use only one circle to write the letter O, okay? See here, keep your pencil on the top red line again. From there, you have to draw a circle like this, okay? This is the letter O. What letter is that children? Yes, O, okay? It is too easy to write, right children? Yes, good. The next one is, what letter dear? Yes, this is the letter P. What letter children? Say it again loudly. Yes, this is the letter P, right? See here, P for piano. What is it? Piano. It is a musical instrument, right? The keys are in black and white colors, okay? The spelling of the word piano is P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Say it again. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Okay children? Yes, see here. Let's write the letter P here, okay? For that, we want 2 strokes only, okay? One is standing line, another one is left open curve, okay? See here children, keep your pencil on the top red line. From there you have to draw a standing line till the third line. Okay, inga irundhu third line varaikum நம்ம standing line போடணும். Okay va? See here, again keep your pencil on the top of the standing line. Okay, from here join the top two lines and then make a left open curve. Okay, this is the letter P. What letter children? P. Very good. Next, what letter is it? Q. Yes. What letter children? Yes, this is the letter Q. See here, Q for queen. See, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. In the older days, king and queen only ruled our country. Okay, so she is a queen. See here, let's write the letter Q here. Okay, for that first we are going to draw a circle. First enna pannanom? Circle. Okay, join the top three lines and then make a circle like this. Okay, inside the circle, see here, you have to draw like this. This is the letter Q. What letter children? Yes, Q. Very good. The next one is R. What letter children? Yes, what letter is this? R. Very good, very good. See here, R for rose. What flower is that? Yes, rose. R for rose. The spelling of the word rose is R-O-S-E. Rose. Say it again my dears. R-O-S-E. Rose. Yes, very good. Okay, do you know who is our first Prime Minister children? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru, right. He likes rose very much. He always wore rose in his pocket hole. Okay children. Also, he likes children like you. Okay. Yes. Listen. Now we are going to write the letter R here. Okay. See. Again keep your pencil on the top red line. Okay. From there, draw a standing line till the third line. Okay. Then see. From here, you have to draw a left open curve. Okay. See, without lifting your pencil, draw a slanting line. Okay. This is the letter R. What letter is that? Yes, R. Good. Next one. Yes. What letter children? Yes, this is the letter yes. Listen. S for strawberry. What fruit is that? Yes, strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Okay. Next, see here. Now we are going to write the letter yes. Okay. Get ready all of you. Look at the board carefully. Okay. See. Keep your pencil on the top red line again. Okay. From here, right open curve and then left open curve. This is the letter yes. Enna letter challam adu? Yes, alaga sonninga. Very good. Next one is, what letter is that? Yes, very good Pooja. This is the letter T. What letter children? Everyone say loudly, what letter is that? Yes, T. Very good. See, what picture is this? Tortoise. The spelling of the word tortoise is T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. Okay. It is a reptile. Okay. It can live more than 100 years. Okay children. Very good. See here. Let's write the letter T here. Okay. Keep your pencil on the top red line and then on the red line you have to draw a sleeping line like this. At the middle of the sleeping line, you have to draw a standing line till the third line. Okay, this is the letter T. Okay, children. Next one is, what letter is this? Oh, this is upward open curve, right? You're brilliant. But what letter is this? As a letter, we can call it as U. What letter, children? Yes, U. See, U for earn. What is it children? Earn. It is a vessel. Okay, we can keep anything, whatever we want, we can keep inside it. Okay, U or N, urn. Okay, see, let's write the letter U here. Okay, see, keep your pencil on the top, red line, good. From here, come down, touch the top, touch the bottom blue line, and then again go up and then touch the top red line and then finish it. Okay, this is the letter U. What letter is that? Yes, U. Good. The very next letter to U is V. What letter is this? Yes, V. V for vase. Okay, V-A-S-E, vase. Okay, we can, it is a decorative thing. Okay, we can keep flowers inside it. Okay, children. So now we are going to write the letter V here. Keep your pencil on the top red line again. From here, how to draw a slanting line till the third line without lifting your pencil. Go up and touch the top red line again. This is the letter V. What letter, children? Yes, V. Good. Next one, W. What letter is this? Yes, W. W for whale. What picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of whale, right? See, W-H-A-L-E, whale. Okay, this is the largest animal in the world. Okay, children. See, now we are going to write the letter W here. Keep your pencil on the top red line, come down, touch the bottom blue line, go up with the slanting line and then touch the top red line again. From here, come down with the slanting line, touch the bottom blue line. From here, again go up, touch the top red line. This is the letter W. What letter is this? Yes, W. Good. This is the letter X. What letter is this, children? Yes, X. See here. X for, see here, see it carefully. X for xylophone. It is a musical instrument. Okay. It has bars in wood. Okay, children. Also, we can beat the bars by using the drumsticks like this. Okay. Then only we can get the beautiful music from that. Okay, children. So, X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Okay, children. So, X for xylophone. Very good. We are going to write the letter X here. It is too easy to write because we are going to use only 2 strokes to write X. One is left slanting line, another one is right slanting line. So, see here, slanting line, again slanting line. This is the letter X. Very good, dears. Next one, Y. What is the letter? Y. This is the letter Y. See here, Y for yak. What is it, dears? Yak. Everyone do like this. Y for yak. Okay. Y-A-K, yak. Say it loudly, dears. Y-A-K, yak. Okay. It is a wild animal. Okay. See, now we are going to write the letter Y here. Keep your pencil on the top red line. Come down with the slanting line till the third line. Again, இங்க பாருங்க, next திருப்பினும் top red line ல pencil வச்சு come down till the bottom red line. Okay, Y should be in the 4 lines. Okay, children. So, this is the letter Y. And then see here, this is the last and final letter. What letter is this? Z. Very good. What letter? Z. Good, 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 good. See here, Z for zip. Z-I-P, zip. We can use zip to close our bags, purses, etc. Right, children? So, Z for zip. Let's listen. We are going to write the letter Z now. See here. Keep your pencil on the top red line. Top red line la pencil vachkonga. Draw a sleeping line without lifting your pencil, come down with the slanting line. From here, again you have to draw a sleeping line on the third line. So, this is the letter Z, right children? So, my dear students, in this class we have learnt the letters from N to Z in order wise, right children? So, you have to practice these letters at your home properly, and then my dear parents, we have attached question bank, question paper, and then study material for this topic in the below description. Students, read the lesson properly and do the self assessment clearly. Thank you. Bye bye.